Good morning, party people. Holy shoot. From this angle. There to there. That's what we want. So I'm making myself coffee, and if you notice, there's a little frog in my throat of the cold and virus nature. People are wondering, is there a man in that RV? Is there a very old man who's smoked for many years? I'm not sure. So here I am enjoying my morning coffee. I know you're not supposed to have coffee when you have a cold. For all of those who love coffee, like me, that's just never an option. So today I'm inside. I'm going to be
painting, doing some reading. It's raining, blowing my nose, coughing up a lung, lying in bed, sneezing.
Hold up. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, so the RV update. My heater no longer heats. It just blows out cold air. Because it's cold here in San Diego. Everyone thinks it's warm and sunny. It's not. Actually very cold and rainy all the time. So, just so we all are clear on our expectations. Do you like how I've been hunched over this whole time? I do. So whatever y'all would like to know about this RV, I probably can't tell you. Everybody out there on YouTube and Instagram has their perfect, little thing going on. Like, they have a degree in woodworking, demolition, RV. I don't. I'm relying on them to tell me what to do. Hold on.
Thank you, everyone.
Wow. All I'm trying to say is, have a great Tuesday. I'm figuring stuff out over here, and I'll keep y'all in the loop. Hope your day is as on top of things as this bun. Bye, everyone.